Hello again, ESL students. Welcome to this video. In today's lesson, I will be talking to you about a very important topic. Important prepositions. Alright? You must know never to leave out prepositions that you need for clarification or to clarify what you're saying or writing. Because some people leave out some very important prepositions and they change the meaning of the message or the sentence or the statement. Alright, so I have two examples here written on the board. The first one says, this was sent to and for the people. Some people would say this was sent for the people, or to the people, and they would omit one of these two prepositions because they would find them redundant. But there is no redundancy in this sentence because both of the prepositions are necessary to clarify what you're trying to say or to clarify your message, the message you are trying to send. Because to and for is not the same thing. Okay? This was sent to the people. That means that they send it to the people. But if it said only to the people, you would not know who it was for. Maybe it was sent to the people for the children, or maybe it was sent to the children for the people. Alright? Different meanings. So we need both of the prepositions to make your message clear. This was sent to the people. This was sent to and for the people. Alright? And the next one says, our gratitude for and interest in your project is increasing. Okay? Some people would omit for here. Our gratitude, and they would simply say, our gratitude and interest in your project is increasing. Or our gratitude for your project is increasing. But no, we need this one. Do not omit it. And we also need this one because for and in are not, do not have the same definition. They don't mean the same thing. So we need both of them to deliver the message you want to send. You must make sure you are using the correct words, the precise prepositions. Alright, so our gratitude for, so we are thankful for and interested in your project, right? So remember not to leave out important prepositions that are needed to clarify or to make your message clearer. Okay? Next, I will give you some more practice sentences and examples so that you can practice with me. Now you are going to help me fill in the blanks in this first sentence and figure out whether or not this second sentence is right. The first one says, our love blank and interest blank, the environment is growing. Okay. If you say, my love blank, my boyfriend is growing, you would say, my love in? No. My love to? My love for. So, our love for and interest blank. Not interest for, right? Interest in. So you must not omit neither of these two prepositions. They are very important for clarification and to deliver a concise message. Our love for and interest in the project, in the environment, is growing. The next one says, his strength and love for life saved him. We have this preposition here. Now you must check. You could say love for. Can you say strength for? No, you cannot. So you could say, his strength in and love for life saved him. Alright, so do not leave out ever, ever, never any prepositions that are needed to make your message clear. Alright, next I will leave you some homework. Remember that you need to practice as much as you can to improve your English. For homework, you are going to write 4 sentences using prepositions. Remember not to leave out important prepositions needed to clarify. Alright? Well, leave your homework in the comment section below this video, along with any comment, suggestion, or question, if you have any. Alright? I will be more than happy to help you if you have a doubt. And well, thank you for watching. I really hope I helped you a bit in this video. And well, good luck in your English studies.